It is Thursday, February 21st, 2013. I'm your teacher, Mr. Powers. You're mine now. You're in my classroom. You ain't going to have your mommy and daddies wiping your little tushies. Oh no. There's no complaining or asking, I have to go to the bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom. There is no bathroom breaks. Nope, not here. Joking aside, I just want to give you all an assignment to do. There's a snowstorm heading this way, or your way, and if you're caught in it, you get a camera, go outside, start taking pictures, make videotapes of it. Then after you're done, post it to YouTube or Facebook and share it with the rest of us. But be careful, be safe, dress warm. And this assignment is due by next Friday. So, your assignment once again, go outside and start taking pictures of the snowstorm. Be safe about it. And I want it here and ready, shared with everybody by next Friday. Those who don't do it, you will get an F. You'll have to take summer school. Yep, summer school, winter school. You're not leaving here until it's done. Oh, have a nice day. Oh, and don't bring me apples. I don't like apples. Instead, bring me a bucket of fried chicken. I take buckets of fried chicken. Have a nice day, class. Okay, class. Class is dismissed. Your assignment better be in by next Friday.